Luca, where are we going?
To fish.
What are we doing today, Luca? Tell me what.
Coconut boats and fishing.
Going on the coconut boat. We are in Hoi An still, and we are riding on the coconut boats. The basket boats. Wait, why are there two?
Because we're on two boats.
Oh, yeah, so it's two person per.
Can go on the boat.
Okay, we're just gonna say the same thing. Just like, let her talk. Listen to her.
There's only two people that can go on the boat, so, and the boat driver or whatever. Mas is gonna stand it out. He's gonna follow us on the drone, and we are gonna go and do this traditional.
He's gonna go on the drone and follow us.
He's going on the drone, and we're gonna do this traditional way of moving around the groves.
Not touristic way, traditional.
No, actually, this was something they used to do during the war.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so now it's become touristy, but these are the boats.
Wow. Okay,
Oh my gosh!
Wow.
It's like wiggly.
There you go. Okay.
Wow.
So I'm wearing a hat on a hat. Now we're bouncing up and down.
Okay guys, we're bobbing around on the water.
Oh, we're gonna spin for 40 minutes. Oh yeah, let's spin for 40 minutes straight.
That's not happening. You'll see. Look how pretty, all the leaves giving us shade. Oh my gosh. Yay. What? No.
Now we are heading somewhere. Are you excited?
My gosh, Luca's paddling the boat.
I want to paddle.
Aww. Look at Luca. Oh yeah.
Oh, there's
Luca, smile.
She heard you.
We need to paddle faster.
Oh, now there's gonna be a
Now they're
race.
both helping.
Bye.
Hey!
I think we're crashing.
You're crashing us, Cuzzy. Oh, you put us in the circle. Oh no, now they're winning.
How do they make this thing go straight? It's a circle. It just turns.
You have to be very strategic at paddling.
Nope, that's not an avocado. That's a coconut.
Oh, wow. Hey, He's a very good paddler here. He's doing this all by himself. He's totally doing everything all by himself. He has no help from our guide lady. She's very nice.
Strong, man.
Come on, Cuzzy, paddle. You have
Probably
to
will
paddle
beat me in an arm wrestle.
What?
Nothing. Oh, we have Bubble stalking us with the drone.
Ooh, where's the drone? Wait, I hope the drone doesn't like hit a tree and crash into the water. It'll be fine, hopefully.
You're doing a good job, Luca.
Oh,
I don't know what that means.
Oh shoot. Oh shoot. We're turning.
Cuzzy, we're in a narrow passageway. Just be careful.
Hello.
We are in a water coconut forest. Oh, he goes fast.
Oh, they're racing, they're racing. Oh no, they're gonna splash us.
Start fight! Stop it!
You gonna splash him?
I'm being kind, I'm not.
Oh, okay. Well, Luca's on a mission to splash us. I don't know why, but Cody's getting wet.
My hands!
Our guide is having a lot of fun. Water is really
I saw
shallow.
a fish. I want to fish now. I saw a fish.
So the boats, if you see them on the beach instead, they have a little motor. And they use these boats for fishing. Luca is on a mission to get Cosimo wet.
Wait, we're going under the
He's
bridge.
having so much fun with us. He keeps on laughing.
Going under the bridge, Mom.
I'm not sure how we get through under the bridge. The other day, Luca said he did not want to come because it was not going to be fun. Are you happy now? Sometimes it's good that mommy insists, right?
So Cody has developed a new paddle method as of the 5 minutes that he's been here. Oh wow, that's very
I've revolutionized
paddling the circular boat.
Yes.
Okay.
We seem to be going even faster.
Right. That's
My
just
hat
the
keeps
wind
falling off.
blowing us. I'm pretty sure there are turtles walking faster than us. There are cars on the highway. There's a photographer in a little boat. And he's taking pictures of people under an umbrella. Oh, that's cute. I hope we get a boat. That's really adorable, actually. Cats are strangling us with the wind.
Well, I don't have much. Where we stay?
It's fine. Luca, it will not stop splashing us.
Stop! I stopped splashing you!
Luca thinks we're going under the bridge. There is a boat there, but I don't think we're going. I think we're going this way. Oh, we are going under a bridge, just not that bridge.
We went under a little bridge, and now we're patiently cruising down the Nile River. Just kidding. We're not going on the Nile.
The Nile River.
And my hat.
Emma's in the
refuses to-
Nile.
The Nile.
Oh,
Just crap.
oh, they're following us.
Guys, we're the spectacle for the people on the bridge.
Yeah, they have Huh, we're cooler than you.
Seriously.
Sorry, people. If you're subscribed to us, I don't actually mean that. But if you're not, ha, we're cooler than you.
What? There's so many bugs.
Oh yeah.
Bugs.
Luca is really good at this. You should stay here. You could go fishing on your little
Are we gonna fish yet?
basket boat.
Are we gonna fish yet?
Now he wants to fish. Wow, Luca!
I think Luca has lost his driver's license. He keeps spinning everyone, Mom and the driver, in circles. No, they're in last place. Bye! Aha! We're winning for once.
Wow! He's gonna park it. This is the fishing rod. So now we are gonna go fishing. Well, Luca is.
Oh my god, I see the crab.
I was just gonna say we were parking too, but Mom already said that, so she took that away from me too. I think we're fishing. Cozy's right. Oh my gosh, look how cute. It's a little fishing rod made of a little stick. There's fish hiding, and Cozy is fishing partially. Okay.
Come on, fishies.
You know, you should catch like an old shoe. Cozy, grab the crab.
Oh, we got the crab. Oh my god!
You got it, Cozy.
Oh yeah!
Oh, look. I think we're taking this back. We're gonna eat this crab for dinner.
Now it's Emma's turn. We have one crab that I caught. Then none of the ladies helped. It's just me.
Really?
And now Emma.
So the crabs are hiding in like the little, what would you call it? Like the cracks of the trees.
We almost got one too! Oh, we caught a big one! We caught a big one! Look at that!
Lucas getting a fish over there. A crab.
Big one! Oh, I got another one!
Our crab is crawling around. Put your elbow in there so the crab can pinch you.
What are you trying to do? Crab's home.
So we're not fishing, we're crabbing.
Crabbing.
Oh! Oh yeah!
Yes! A second grab! She's another one.
Yeah!
Oh,
No!
Man, she's so excited every time we catch a crab.
Oh, it's really big. This one is stuck in there.
Oh my gosh! Oh!
Oh my god! Yeah! That was the biggest one!
So we tied him on a bamboo thing. So
So he goes for a second slow.
and he's trying to fish some more. Apparently they stay close to the bamboos. And so he puts this little bamboo stick in the water. I think there is a piece of fish there attached.
We got 7.
What?
Look. They're actually pretty big.
Oh, you put them in there. Now we're heading back.
Wait, should I try? Should I let go?
So this is how Aluka's crab travels. Oh, never mind. This is how you paddle the right way.
Almost there.
We're going straight. We're not going in circles.
Okay, now.
Oh my gosh, guys, you can't see, but Droney's looking at us. Look, now you're gonna see some footage from Droney. Hi, I'm waving. By the way, in case you didn't know that. Yeah. We have our private drone videographer here. I think we're getting ready to spin, you guys.
I think we are.
Yo!
Crabbies! Oh, we're spinning! Wow, 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 I'm so dizzy!
Oh, we're spinning! What are you thinking all the fun? Your turn will come, Gozzy.
Oh my god! How was it, Emma?
Good.
Daddy wasn't with us on the boat.
Creative mode. I follow them. You're gonna see it on this is really cool.
Oh, they're back, nice and dizzy.
We did it!
We made it. It took us a month, but we made it. And we came to the place that we had found, and we thought it was the right
It was
place
the
to
right
come.
place, yes.
And it was. So look how cool the boat-shaped table. Now Luca is fishing for crabs because he wants to continue fishing. Luca is setting them free.
Lucas saying free.
Oh, that was very quick. Me and Mas came at the beginning of the month.
The other day.
And that's how we found the place where we decided to do the basket. And and we tried the coconut soup. So we told Cosimo and Emma about it. And now they want to try it. So here we are. Daddy said, oh, she's not here today. But here she is.
2 coconuts.
Yeah.
This is the coconut.
Yeah, it's
See,
that
it's
one.
inside there. And it's actually much sweeter than the other one.
This is what she makes. That coconut there, which is this one. So it's like a baby coconut. And she makes soup. I put the little coconut.
Coconut, hi. Sugar.
No sugar, no sugar.
No sugar.
No sugar.
Coconut milk hả?
Coconut, yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So you can put sugar. We never do. There you go. And that's coconut milk.
Dry coconut.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Peanut.
Peanuts.
Peanut. Okay.
Sure.
Okay, peanut.
Right?
Oh my gosh. You're right, this coconut is sweet.
I know, I told you. And we didn't add sugar, but usually people add sugar too.
It's sweet enough like this.
When we go back.
Coconut on top of coconut on top of coconut. That's the taste, guys.
So we couldn't leave without trying it, right? And this is another situation where the lady's house is her business too.
And try this coconut soup. Make this lady famous. Make her a millionaire, please.
Good morning.
It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon.
Wait, what?
Yeah, you missed the whole
Happy
day.
birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Dun, dun, dun. Okay. 5 years in the making. Dun, dun, dun. Open it fast.
Oh.
Who that?
Put a candle.
Who that?
Told you you would know.
Birthday, dear Cosimo.
Oh.
Happy birthday to you.
Maybe you have to bend down.
Oh. That's why you were carrying those.
Can I have it? Give it.
Pick it up, pick it up.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be the king of the vine.